I have a box. And that means it's haul time. But not just any haul time. In this box we have about, I think like $150 worth of stuff. I would have paid $80 for it, but I actually paid $2. If you guys don't know me, I coupon a lot because I am budget friendly, and this entire channel is about doing things and living your best life, but like in a very messy and unpredictable way because I'm lazy. But the whole point is I'm bougie on a budget, and that means that I coupon at Ulta a lot. And a lot of people don't know how to do this, but basically I stack a bunch of deals, rack up the points, and then even when I redeem my points, I redeem them on things that will get me more stuff. This is one of those where I redeemed points, about $85 worth, and all of it was based on stuff that would get me more stuff and just things that had a good deal. Right here I have a total of 10 items, but a lot of these are actually gift sets and free samples, so it's a little bit more than 10. They don't really like bubble wrap anything. It just kind of sits there. So I'm just gonna reach in and grab the first thing that I see, which is Bumble and Bumble. Now, I got a few things from Bumble and Bumble. Whenever I go to the gym, I always forget to take a shampoo, and the little dispensers of body wash they have, I'm not putting that in my hair. So I did buy this little mini shampoo, travel shampoo, because I need it for the gym. But I also got their whipped scalp scrub. And the reason why I got these is because if you bought, I think it was $30 worth of stuff, you got this, I have to make sure I see it, sorry, my French, Prada powder, because it's French, I try to say it, but basically it's like a post-workout dry shampoo mist, and if you bought these two, you got this, and I was already buying stuff for my gym bag, so I thought, why not? It is a travel size, but it is a pretty decent freebie, and it's better than a lot of the other ones, not to mention Bumble and Bubble is a pretty solid brand from what I've heard. Sorry. Oh my god. So the whole reason I did this particular haul is because CVS had this thing where if you spent $80 you were able to get a beauty bag, and on top of that I made sure that every single brand I bought from, like Bumble and Bubble, had a freebie with it, so I was able to stack everything. So I just saw with the $80 bag what I just wait, we'll see that in a second. Now the next brand that I got stuff from is Clinique. It actually fell out, and I do buy a lot of stuff from Clinique just because you always get freebies with Clinique. But the first set that I bought, and I'm not going to take out all the items because this is actually a gift for my friend Amanda. If you're watching, Amanda, I love you. But this is their MVP Essentials. I do actually take this mascara with me to the gym, but this is just a basic cleansing kit, and I did pay for this, but I thought it would be perfect because she doesn't really use much skincare, and it was 30 bucks, and it just gives you a general for everything, and it just really works out. But I also got their little mini perfume samplers. I actually have a lot of these in full size, multiples of them, but I thought I'd take these so I can take them to the gym because honestly, this is so much easier than me taking the full bottles. So I qualified for 4 samples because I bought those. And one of them is the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Face Soap for Oily Skin. These two are a little bit smaller, but it's the Clinique Light Reflecting Primer, and because it is light reflecting, you can barely focus. The Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum, which, again, my camera is just not focusing. And the best gift from this set was actually a Kate Spade bag. Now, they don't do this often with like other brands, but they will have often a tote bag or something that you can get from Clinique. So I got this little Kate Spade bag for absolutely free, and it comes with stuff inside. It has a little pamphlet, which is always adorable, but that's not what I care about. Ooh, so we have the Moisture Surge 100-hour replenishing. I think I already have like 3 of these just because of how many free samples I get, but I think I'm going to keep it, or I'm just gonna give it to Amanda so she can try this out too. I also have the Deep Comfort Hand and Cuticle Cream. This one I do want also for the gym. I purposely did want this one, so I am going to, it smells like baby lotion. I'm gonna toss it into my bag, but I don't know if I like that smell. And the last thing, look at this. It's cute. little lipstick. And the only lipstick I like by Clinique is the Black Honey. So when I saw this, Kate Spade Clinique limited edition Black Honey, I had to get it. And I am so excited because it was free. But in general, I think this bag's really cute because I like the blues. Normally the Clinique bags are really bright, vibrant yellows and pinks, and they don't really suit me. But I actually might just put all my stuff in here for the gym. But remember, we got another goodie bag. Now this one is actually from Ulta. It's their promotion. They have 3 different types. I chose the blue one just because often when I get these, I never know what to use. And I'm already looking at this. This Versace perfume, I already have it. But that's how I know that this is not cheap. I see some Laura Mercier. There's more Clinique. Let's open this. Let's open this completely free bag. From the top, we have the Laura Mercier tinted blush. And this I thought was gonna be like a little pad, but it's actually a mini sample. I'm really gonna be filling up my gym bag. My gym bag. But ma'am, what color are you? Oh, this is Provence. It said it right there. This is how I know I'm dumb. I'm assuming that they have all these different shades and they only let you like have the one that would match most people's skin tone. So this, perfecto. Though I will say I'm very tan, so I don't know how that's going to show up on my skin. Next, we have the Buxom Lash Mascara. Now, if you guys saw my last Ulta, I don't want to flash you guys, last Ulta haul, I think I already got 2 of these. I did give them away, so I might give that one away too. I don't know. Especially because I have 2 of these bad gal bangs. Also, from my last video. Absolutely great. That's free though. I do not know why I defaulted to a British accent. Ooh, so this is the Amande. Let me stop with the French. It has it in French above, but shower oil, and this is by L'Occitane en Provence. L'Occitane en Provence. That's not even, my French isn't even Frenching. But I didn't even know this was in here. And I'm assuming it's for your skin. Ooh, I'm telling you, my gym bag is gonna love me because that's a decent size sample. It's 1.1 fluid ounces. That's not cheap. Next we have, oh my god, I have not tried this brand yet, but it's called Butter. And I have been looking into it, but they have the AHA BHA Rosewater Toner, and I love my toner. I do. I just use a normal e.l.f. toner or a Neutrogena, but this is a really decent sample for me to try this out, and it's like, it's a glass bottle. They're really upping the sample game. I'm very impressed, and let's just take the Versace perfume out because I do have this exact one sitting in my bathroom. So this is the one that I got for free, and this is the one that I already had. So now I have both of them because this is the original and this is the Absolute, and I love collecting mini perfumes, so this actually makes me very, very happy. And the fact that it was free. Next we have the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hour, which I'm pretty sure is the same exact thing as this one, because I guess this is just a smaller sample, which I'm gonna open it, even though, yep, it's just the mini version of this bigger one. I'm probably just gonna put this in my gift pile just because I have visitors all the time, and it just makes it so much easier for people to just be able to come to my house and take what they need instead of packing everything. It just makes life easy. Ooh, I've never heard of this. It is Key Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. I'm assuming it is for your face. I'm not going to open it just because I have so many serums and I'm very particular with my serums. This is also going to go into my gift pile. If anyone knows about this, let me know because I never heard of them. I will look into it though, just so we can look at the bag before I get to the last few things, which are actually really cute. But here we have a little felt bag. It is a really decent sized bag and it is lined, but oh, it smells nice. I'm assuming from one of the products, but it actually smells really decent. Now, if you want to compare it for size, it's actually really nice. But again, I do keep a lot of things to give to people and give away. This is probably one of those things that I'm gonna end up giving away if I don't end up keeping it for myself, just because it is felt, and I feel like with skincare and makeup, this is not the best option for me. So we have another hand cream. This is Dionys. It's a goat's milk hand cream, creamy coconut and oats. Now I did get the Clinique one, so I don't think, I'm not even gonna open it just because it's sealed. We're gonna keep this in our little gift bag too, but it is a really, like, if you look at the one that I actually got and the other one, they're really close. It's 1 ounce and 1.4 ounces. So for free items, I'm not complaining. Now, I said I was particular with my serums, but the Origin Ginseng, the Glow Brightening Serum, is one of the ones I've used before. It is typically more expensive, or it was more expensive when I used to buy it, so I never really continued, but I am happy because I need some vitamin C in my life, and this is perfecto. Now we have another scalp scrub and shampoo. I think I'm gonna take this to the gym. Even though I bought the BB Sunday shampoo, it's like 2-in-1 for the 2 products I bought. It's a simple size and I can just put it into my gym bag, and I've never heard of this brand. I'm gonna pray my hair doesn't fall out, but you know, what's the worst that could happen? We are not done yet. Long live the Sarahs. I don't know. But basically, hydrating foaming oil cleanser. I love oil cleansers. I use one that I actually bought in New York. That is a Japanese oil cleanser. But I also use a lot of cleansing balms, including the Clinique cleansing balm. I have not tried this specific one. I don't think I will just because I have so many minis. I might put it in my little travel containers if you guys ever see those on my shorts. If not, this is going to go into my giveaway pile, but honestly a really decent size for a freebie. And lastly, we have the La Roche-Posay Lip Car Wash, and this is a gentle foaming wash. I have not used La Roche-Posay in extensiveness. I've used maybe like 1 or 2 products, but again, they're kind of stupid expensive. And I'm not a big fan of them. I know a lot of other people are, but to me personally, is this sample gonna make me try them? No. But if I have this in my purse and I have nothing else when I travel, probably. But again, if you guys look at all the stuff I have for travel, which I will do an entire video on all my minis, I have a lot of travel kits, and I really travel lightly with a lot of samples. Basically, I'm always prepared. As I said, everything here technically would have cost me $87. I used $85 in points, and that means that I only paid $2. And again, a lot of these were free. There's no way all of this product's worth $87. And I do hauls like these every few months. If you have not watched my past one, please go ahead and look at that, because that one was well over $200 worth of product. And this one, this is pretty light for me, but it's gonna still keep coming, along with all my other hauls and all the other things that I do to just make my life better. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure that you keep your toes on these different deals and do your research before shopping, because you never know how different coupons and deals may work out. Sometimes they're amazing. But remember that I'm not a professional. I'm here for your enjoyment. I'm just the middle child.